word. Oh my word, look at that thing.
Welcome back to another video. Doing all right. Just looking right now. Thank you though. We are on a mission today. We're gonna get wifey her first fishing pole. We're gonna go out tomorrow on the boat. It's actually her first time being on a big boat like that. So she needs a dangle stick, and that's exactly what we're gonna get her. We're here at Dick's. We're gonna go after some bluegills, panfish of that sorts. So, you know, kind of ease her into it instead of just jumping full bore into muskie. But we're gonna look and see what they got, and we'll get on the water tomorrow. What we're trying to find is her a combo. Nothing too dramatic or too expensive as she knocks the pole down off the rack. Here's a pink one. I don't know what brand. This is a Lady Samurai. What do you feel like, a samurai? It's a Daiwa. It's not a bad. Is that pretty enough for you?
I don't know.
That's not how you hold it. You hold it the other way, upside down.
What?
Hold it like that.
Why?
Put this hand.
Why?
Okay. Well, that's just how it works.
What?
Yeah. So you've never used one like this.
Well, I went fishing once when I was 5.
So like you're a brand new fisherman.
Why don't I go this way?
Because that's not how it works.
Who said it?
The people who made it.
Well, it seems to work just fine.
No, it doesn't. It's not made to be used like that.
Well, they don't know me.
Let's go over here and see the mint ones. I've never heard of this brand before. Proficiency.
That's a term.
Yes, it is. Why is this one more expensive than a no name? Here. It's pretty smooth. You like this one?
I think it's pretty.
You think it's pretty?
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, this is how you hold it. Not like this. Alright, so we'll get this one. The Proficiency.
Okay.
Now we need some line to go on it. What kind of line do you like? This is on sale. It's Suffix. I've actually used that kind of braid. It's pretty decent. So I'll get this. Now we do need to get some like bobbers. I don't really have any of this. They make one. They call it a slip bobber. Get some beads here. Yeah, I got plenty of weights, so I need hooks. Yeah, we're doing good. All right, I think that may have everything we need for tomorrow. I got sinkers and stuff for the house, which I can use for that. We'll get her license tomorrow. Tonight when we get home, we can do that stuff online. So I'll catch y'all tomorrow on the water.
I guess we're gonna have to let Buddy go. I ain't gonna get him any friends. There's one. Oh, there's a whole, right there's a big snail right in front of us. Like that. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh no, he's in the... I did it! Now I can't hold him. I did it. I did it. Jolly. Yeah, that's a bed up there. Spooky. I don't want mine either. Very carefully out of the way. Oh no. Yeah. They're there. Just getting the bite is the... That's what a bed looks like. Do you understand now? Watch him try to chase it out of there. Guarding the bed is what they're doing. That was good. That was the best one all day. I messed up your cast. It's right there. Oh, I'm gonna strangle myself. I'm gonna strangle both of us back here with it.
You got my gum. See my face? I literally
I couldn't do that again if I tried. Oh, that's too funny.
Mine broke the teeth on
Oh, you're getting a bite. You're getting a bite.
I don't think so.
Yeah, I saw it.
It wasn't doing it. It ain't doing it.
Watch it. Got him. You got him. You got him. You got him. Good job.
It's gonna get me.
Good job, Camille.
Oh, heck.
It's fine. It's fine. Got you red ear.
Ah,
Good job.
I finally did it.
He's peeing on me.
Ew. That's disgusting.
Good job, Camille.
Should we get a picture of it?
Yeah. Do it.
It ain't got teeth, does it?
Oh.
Okay.
You gonna hold him?
Hold it.
See how I got his length?
Finger broken.
He ain't gonna hurt you. Hold it tight.
Oh.
That's a good picture. You did it. It's all right. We got more.
Exactly how I thought that happened.
Good job. I'm proud. I think you're in the weeds. Yeah, let me see it. Let's see your pole. Where'd they go? Get in that bag. There's more of them.
What bag? The clear one?
No, the book bag. And a tackle box. Some of the smaller ones. See them there?
And there's one.
A bigger one, not the biggest, but a bigger one.
This?
Yeah, that's good. That'll work. Golly. Oh, this is the big one.
Oh, cool. Back away.
Golly, look at this thing. What? Good night. Yes, sir. Oh my word. Oh my word, look at that thing. Look at that thing, that's my biggest red ear. Yeah. Golly, look at that thing. That's massive.
How's your hand?
God. Here, get another one like that. God.
Wait. Oh, goodbye.
Golly, look at that. Look at that. Kind of get like more of me in it.
Okay.
Golly, look at that thing. That's massive.
Okay. You better not come at me.
Golly. He nailed it.
Got on mine.
Earth in there. Golly. Woo. That was a team effort. I don't feel like these pictures and the cameras doing justice. Like, these are like decent size bluegill. I think it's massive compared to the rest of those bluegill. So, see what the tail and the tape is for this. About 11 and a half. So what is this? About 11 and 3/8. Kind of girth it's got. Without any further ado, I'm going to get in and eat these things. Thank you all for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. See you then.